Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this luxury villa for sale near Pisa. Check it out. Today, we are in the heart of Tuscany, near Pisa and specifically in Lari, surrounded by the countryside and 30 minutes from both the seaside location of Livorno and Pisa with its Piazza dei Miracoli and the international airport. Right now, we are walking along the main vehicle entrance that leads us straight to the property, from which we have a first glance of the beautiful view over Lari. And right before approaching the villa, we have this parking area that can fit 7 to 8 cars. We are in front of the villa, which is an Art-Nouveau style that overlooks the swimming pool embellished by statues. The swimming pool is surrounded by a sunbathing area and below has a dedicated space for the changing rooms and fitness area. The villa also overlooks the Castello di Lari, which is a dismissed medieval fortress that the Medici had transformed into their legal and administrative headquarters. Nel XVII secolo questa zona era la favorita dalla nobiltà pisana, specialmente nel periodo estivo, grazie al clima favorevole e alla natura circostante, assicurando una permanenza piacevole e rilassante. Adjacent to the swimming pool is this large and lovely gazebo that in the summer months gets covered, providing shade and offering a sitting and lounge area where you can enjoy a beverage or a snack while overlooking the surrounding landscape. We are behind the villa where we find 3 distinct paths that lead us through the woodland and to the tennis court. The paths are framed by a large variety of trees, allowing us to take long and peaceful walks in our own property all year round. In fact, let's just stop and listen for a second. That is the sound of nature, so relaxing. Other than that, each path has its own water drainage system to avoid landslides. Here we are at the tennis court, where you could host a tournament with friends or just do some exercise on your own. It has its own changing room with showers and bathroom. Other than that, it overlooks a secular oak tree. Connected to the tennis court is this enchanting olive grove that counts over 40 trees. I personally think it would be wonderful to have your own olive grove. You could have the true Tuscan experience of picking olives, making your own olive oil, and all of that in the comfort of your own home. As mentioned previously, the property has a large variety of trees. It's hard to believe that we are in Tuscany, surrounded by this bamboo forest, which is just another unique feature of the property. We are now approaching the villa, but before we go inside, I want to mention that the 3.4 hectares of the estate are gated, so you can enjoy the privacy of your own home. Before we go inside, let me tell you a little bit about the property. It is 1,059 square meters, featuring 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a fitness area, garage, a turret, a Dependance with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and is surrounded by 3.4 hectares of land, featuring a swimming pool, a tennis court, olive grove, and parking area. And the property is only 5 minutes away from the town of Lari. Ma ora venite con me. From the main entrance, we have access to this spacious and elegant foyer. Right in front of us is a large mirror that gives depth to the space, which is also home to a beautiful wooden staircase. This space also connects most rooms on the ground floor. Here we have a cozy study. The villa was originally built in the 1800s and then was renovated and enlarged in the 1920s by adding a tower. It was also given an Art-Nouveau style by adding details both inside and outside that were so popular at the time. The villa was renovated once again in the year 2000, where the original details were maintained and silicone injections were done in the exterior walls to eliminate humidity and maintain the plaster. From the study, we now flow into the main living room. I personally love this living room. To me, it is a true emblem of elegance. We have the focal point, which is this majestic fireplace, and also the furniture is set in a way to really bring your attention towards it. The living room also has a second space which is dedicated to a beautiful pianoforte, and both are embellished by these lovely light-colored covered ceilings. Both spaces also have access through French windows onto an external loggia with patio. We are now crossing the main foyer and going towards the dining room. The dining room has the original Art Nouveau colored cement tiled floors with a nature theme. Also here we have the light colored covered ceilings with a central enchanting Murano glass chandelier. From this room we have a direct access onto the swimming pool area, and it is also well connected to the kitchen. The dining room is well connected to the kitchen, which is equipped to accommodate every need. Here we have a double breakfast area. This space is ideal for more intimate gathering and has a second kitchen with fire burning oven, electric oven, and stovetop. Opposite to which we have this gorgeous double marble sink with marble countertop. If, however, you have to accommodate a large amount of people, that's okay, because there is this larger breakfast space, which is embellished by these beautiful Liberty-style floors, and this room flows into a corridor where we can find a guest bathroom that serves the floor, as well as the laundry room and a secondary staircase that brings us up to the tower, and that used to be the service entrance. From here, we also have access to the external dining area, so let's go check it out. We are in the back of the villa that looks onto the garden. Here we have an external dining area with pizza oven that looks onto this large granite table that can fit up to 14 people. I can already see myself in the summer months in the evening having nice pizza night with my friends and family. That sounds delicious. But now, let's go and check out the bedroom area. Welcome to the first floor, where we find 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, which are all accessible from this long and spacious hallway with beautiful Liberty-style floors. But let's go and see the first bedroom. We are in the Camera Rosa, which has lovely colored cement tile floors, which are original to the villa. Also, this bedroom has a lovely view over the swimming pool and the surrounding landscape. This cozy lounge area connects the main bedroom to its ensuite bathroom, which is embellished by enchanting stained glass doors and internal window. The bathroom also has its own shower and an original restored freestanding bathtub. On the opposite side of the hallway is a second bedroom which has a mirrored floor plan to this one, with a main bedroom, lounge area, and bathroom. The room, however, enjoys a relaxing view over the garden instead of the surrounding landscape. Adjacent to the bedrooms and central to the floor is the family room. The family room is flooded with natural light. This is the perfect place if you want to relax or even watch a movie before going to bed. The room also has its own private balcony. From here, we have a lovely view over the swimming pool, the surrounding landscape, and the Castello di Lari. Not to speak of the town of Lari, that is only 5 minutes away, as mentioned before. Also here, we have the Art-Nouveau influence, such as the granilla floors and the glass doors with wooden details. The bedroom area continues along the hallway. To my right, we find a bedroom with lovely colored cement tile floors and a view over the surrounding landscape. And opposite to the hallway is another bedroom. As soon as we enter, we see an open closet with adjacent bathroom with shower and lovely stained glass door. We are now in the main bedroom, which has a 20s style and looks on to the relaxing nature. On the floor, there is a guest bathroom, and at the end of the hallway is the master suite that features 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. We are in the master bedroom that has these gorgeous original Art Nouveau floors. This room enjoys a lot of natural light thanks to the double exposure. Speaking of double exposure, from this large French window we can access the terrace. This lovely terrace is accessible also by the adjacent bedroom that could be used as a kids' room. A unique feature of this terrace is the view, the breathtaking view over the Castello di Lari, which you can see framed between 2 cypresses. Opposite from the master bedroom is the master bathroom that has an illuminated frame on the ceiling, marble details, and a bathtub. Here we have a double exposure that looks onto nature that seems as if it was one with the room. On the first floor of the property's annex is this lovely guest apartment, which is ideal if you want to give your guests further privacy and independence. It has its own kitchen with dining area and living area. The apartment also has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and each room has its own air conditioning unit. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And on that note, un bacio grande. Ciao!